In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Steam account. Start by going to the Steam website, store.steampower.com. I'll include a link in the description. Head to the top and click the Login button. Scroll down to where it says New to Steam and click the Create an Account button. If you have the Steam app, then you can also select the Create a Free Account text on the sign-in window to make a new account. Enter your email into the address box, then enter the same email into the Confirm Your Address box. Select your country of residence. It should automatically be selected. Then check the box to confirm that you're human. You may need to complete a puzzle or two to verify. Read the Steam subscriber agreement and Valve privacy policy by clicking on the link text, then check the box to confirm you're over 13. Click Continue. Go to your email for the email address you entered, and you will have an email from Steam. Click the Verify My Email Address button, and your Steam account will be verified. Select the Steam account name box and give your Steam account a name. Now, enter the password you want to use for Steam in the Choose Password box, then enter the same password into the Confirm Password box. Click Done, then Continue to finish creating your Steam account. You can now sign in to Steam with your new account. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.